Good morning. Let me wait for the video to start here. Good morning, everybody. This is Mark, aka the Ministry Dude, coming to you live from Livingston, Tennessee. Today is the 7th day of March, 2025. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope everyone's having a great day today. I want to talk a little bit about heart health. I know I talk about it every day, but I can't stress this enough. Get your heart checked. That's what keeps your blood pumping, keeps your brain thinking. Your arteries get clogged up. It affects your memory, it affects your sexual function, it affects a lot of things. Believe me, I know from experience. That's what happens. Get it checked, start eating right, pick up a copy of my Heart Healthy Christian diet book. I left a link in the video. Pick up a copy of Through the Bible, if you would, please. It'll help you smooth out the rough patches in life. And that's what it's all about. It's all about helping each other. And I bring stuff on here just to help people. Well, with that said, let's get right into our Bible reading, shall we? I don't have a script for any of these things. I just kind of talk off the top of my head in the beginning. Now, I do have a script for Through the Bible, but other than that, we don't. So let's get right into it, shall we? March 7th. We're going to start with Leviticus 6:8. Ceremonial law, procedures for the burnt offering. Whereas the materials in chapter 1 concerning the burnt offering gave instructions to the people, the regulations in this chapter cover the manner in which it was offered. This section is written to the priest who officiated. The fire on the altar was never to go out. Originally kindled by God, it symbolized the continual, unending need for sacrifice for sins. The linen trousers, undergarments, were for the modest of the priest as he ascended the ramp to of the altar. The pagans used sexual acts in their worship of false gods, but not even a hint of sexuality was allowed in the worship of the true God. Trousers. Boy, I ain't heard that. I don't think I've ever heard anyone call pants trousers. Well, let's see. Leviticus 6:14. Procedures for grain offering. The material in this section instructs the priest on how to offer the grain offering. Of special interest is that God shared what was devoted to him and his chosen ministers, the priests. There is no higher calling for any individual than to be called to serve God in the ministry. Also in this section are instructions to the priest concerning his personal grain offering to the Lord made twice daily. Mark 7:23. Jesus addresses the Pharisees' traditions. Not only had the Pharisees added a multitude of regulations to God's law and given them equal standing, but their focus was all wrong as well. Their eyes were on the doing of the rules when they should have been looking at the inner man. Strict attention to rules is all well and good if first there is equally strict attention to the heart. There we go, talking about the heart again. Above all else, guard your heart, for it is the wellspring of life. Above everything else, even above strict attention to rules, always guard your heart. Your heart is a symbol of love and a symbol of your body's brain, actually. I mean, it controls almost pretty much everything in your body. It controls the functions of your arms, your legs, the function of your brain. I mean, it pumps the blood and nutrients around your body. So take care of your heart. Now we're going to conclude with this. Matthew 15:5. The religious leaders referred to this practice as Korban. It was giving what one had to God, yet still retaining the use and benefit of it. The practical effect of this tradition was to decline helping one's parents, perhaps in their older ages. One would pledge his resources to God, but still personally control how they were used. It was an effective way to skirt around the fifth commandment, which was to honor one's parents. Jesus invokes the far-reaching principle of the intent of the law in place of the letter of it. There is no person so bad that he cannot be saved, and no person so good that he need not be saved. That was from Adrian P. Rogers. Thanks for watching, everyone. This is Mark, aka the Ministry Dude. Have a blessed day, everyone. And don't forget to check out the links by our video here. Thank you again. We'll see you again tomorrow.